In less than 24 hours, I turned Moodle into a complete e-learning store using Modern Commerce. No WordPress, no WooCommerce, no Edwiser Bridge, no LearnDash, no Bridge plugin, no software license fee. The finished platform has a branded storefront, products, bundles, subscriptions, company seat packages, multiple payment gateways, automatic enrollment, invoices, reports, and a complete learner account experience. The software license cost was zero, and the scope of the finished system could easily represent a $20,000 professional implementation. My goal was simple. Before the clock stopped, a customer had to be able to discover a course, complete checkout, receive an invoice, gain the correct Moodle access, and begin learning immediately. Let me show you exactly how I built it. First, understand why this combination is so powerful. Moodle is the world's most popular open-source learning platform, used by more than 500 million people across roughly 154,000 registered sites. Both Moodle and ModernCommerce are licensed under the GNU General Public License, version 3 or later. Together, they create an open platform that I can inspect, host, modify, extend, and operate with full control of the code, infrastructure, customer data, and learning experience. I started with Moodle hosting and course content ready, then built the complete commerce layer in less than 24 hours. Step 1. Prepare Moodle for commerce. I prepared Moodle with compatible hosting, HTTPS, email, backups, and scheduled tasks. These essentials support secure payments, customer confirmations, subscription automation, reporting, and reliable course access. With the foundation tested and ready, Moodle could operate as a dependable e-learning store around the clock. Step 2. Install ModernCommerce. I downloaded ModernCommerce through Moodle Marketplace and installed it as a local Moodle plugin. After installing its production dependencies and completing the Moodle upgrade process, the new commerce administration area was ready. ModernCommerce connects the storefront directly to Moodle courses and user accounts. The product catalog, cart, checkout, orders, invoices, payment events, subscriptions, and learner access all become part of the same platform. That connection is where much of the value lives. A professional commerce implementation includes architecture, data modeling, storefront development, checkout, gateway integrations, signed webhooks, invoices, refunds, subscriptions, enrollment logic, company seat management, permissions, reporting, privacy workflows, testing, and deployment. An illustrative custom engagement covering those work streams can reach at least 400 specialist hours. At $50 per hour, that represents $20,000 and approximately 10 full-time working weeks. ModernCommerce provides that open foundation, allowing the implementation time to focus on configuration, branding, products, payments, automation, and validation. Step 3. Transform Moodle courses into products. I opened the ModernCommerce product tools and connected each offer to its Moodle learning experience. Individual courses became focused products. Related courses became bundles and structured programs. Subscription plans created recurring access to a growing learning library. For organizations, I configured company seat packages and enrollment key pools. A company can purchase access for a team, distribute keys to its employees, and monitor the seats used and remaining. This supports several business models inside one store: direct course sales, professional certification pathways, memberships, corporate academies, partner distribution, and prepaid learning campaigns. I added prices, sale prices, categories, learning outcomes, duration, certificates, reviews, and clear purchase actions. Each product page gave the buyer the information needed to choose confidently. Step 4. Build the storefront. ModernCommerce uses a configurable, widget-driven storefront, so I could assemble the customer experience directly inside Moodle. I created a strong hero section, featured learning products, course categories, bundles, testimonials, frequently asked questions, and essential policy pages. I applied the brand colors, imagery, calls to action, and email identity so the journey felt consistent from the first store visit to the first course page. The storefront gave every offer a clear place in the catalog while making discovery simple across individual courses, bundles, programs, and subscriptions. Step 5. Connect payments to learning access. ModernCommerce supports Stripe, Paystack, PayPal, and Flutterwave. I connected the business's Sandbox Gateway account, configured the credentials, registered the webhook, and confirmed that signed payment events were reaching Moodle. Then I ran the complete transaction. A customer selected a course, added it to the cart, applied a coupon, completed payment, received an order confirmation and invoice, and gained access to the correct Moodle course. The transaction, customer record, order, invoice, enrollment, and learning access were connected automatically. That is the moment Moodle became a functioning e-learning business platform. Step 6. Validate every customer journey. I used sandbox transactions to validate the complete operating cycle. I confirmed successful payments, coupon calculations, taxes, signed webhook events, invoices, refunds, subscription renewals, grace periods, plan changes, abandoned cart recovery, and access synchronization. I also checked the learner dashboard to confirm that customers could see their courses, purchases, invoices, certificates, grades, wish lists, keys, and subscriptions in one account area. Every test gave me evidence that the storefront, payment operation, and Moodle Learning Access were working together. Step 7. Activate automation and team roles. I configured the scheduled workflows that support subscriptions, reminders, recovery messages, reports, notifications, and access updates. Then I assigned focused responsibilities across finance, product, marketing, support, reporting, and administration. Finance can manage orders, invoices, refunds, and payment evidence. Product managers can control products, pricing, visibility, and merchandising. Support can help customers with orders and learning access. Administrators can manage the platform configuration. This gives the store an operating structure that can grow with the business. Step 8. Run the launch rehearsal. I completed one final journey from both sides of the platform. As the customer, I discovered a product, reviewed the offer, completed checkout, received the confirmation and invoice, entered the learner dashboard, and opened the course. As the administrator, I confirmed the revenue entry, order status, payment event, invoice, enrollment, notification, and audit record. The clock stopped before 24 hours. By the end of the build, Moodle had become a complete e-learning storefront, supporting individual sales, bundles, recurring memberships, corporate seats, automatic fulfillment, customer self-service, reporting, and operational control. That is where the $20,000 value comes from. It is the value of combining commerce strategy, technical infrastructure, storefront design, product architecture, payment operations, automatic learning access, subscriptions, company distribution, privacy, automation, testing, and documentation into one dependable system. Moodle provides the proven learning platform. Modern Commerce provides the open commerce engine. Skilled implementation brings them together into a business that can sell and deliver learning around the clock. And both software foundations are free and open source. Use the Moodle Marketplace link in the description to download Modern Commerce. For documentation, demonstrations, and the latest project information, visit moderncommerce.dev. If you want the complete screen-by-screen build tutorial, leave a comment with the word STORE. We are a learning technology company trusted by leading organizations and financial institutions across Africa and beyond, including 5 of Africa's 20 largest banks. We deliver enterprise learning platforms, Moodle solutions, and premium plugins. We also develop e-learning courses, integrate HR software, and build mobile learning apps. Like, share, and leave a comment. To work with us, use the contact link in our bio.